Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate acai berries every day? You're not alone. These tiny, dark purple berries have been making waves in the health and wellness world, and for good reason. Originating from the rainforests of South America, acai berries have been a part of native diets for centuries. But it's only in recent years that they've skyrocketed in popularity globally, earning the title of a superfood. What sets them apart? Well, acai berries are teeming with antioxidants, those incredible substances that help protect our bodies from harmful free radicals. But that's not all. These berries are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with a host of beneficial compounds. They're a rich source of fiber, heart-healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. All this wrapped up in a small, delicious package. So, what exactly happens when you incorporate these small, dark purple berries into your daily diet? Stay tuned as we unravel the magic of acai berries. Firstly, acai berries are a nutritional powerhouse. These small, dark purple fruits are low in sugar, making them a friend of the waistline, and they are high in iron, which is important for carrying oxygen around our bodies. They also contain calcium, which we all know is essential for strong bones and teeth. But it doesn't stop there. Acai berries are rich in fiber, helping to keep our digestive systems happy and healthy. Now let's talk about vitamin A, another vital nutrient found in these berries. This vitamin is key for good vision and a healthy immune system. But the real star of the show when it comes to acai berries is their antioxidant content. They are packed with these health-boosting compounds, even more so than other berries like blueberries and cranberries. These antioxidants fight harmful free radicals in our bodies, helping to keep us in tip-top shape. With such a rich nutritional profile, it's no wonder these berries have some amazing health benefits. So what exactly are the health benefits of eating acai berries every day? Let's dive into it. Acai berries are a heart-healthy choice, containing antioxidants that can help reduce cholesterol levels. They also aid in weight loss by promoting a healthier metabolism and reducing the impact of high-fat diets. But it doesn't stop there. Acai berries are a boon for your skin too. Their antioxidants fight the signs of aging, keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. They also improve digestion, thanks to their high fiber content, promoting a smooth and efficient digestive process. And what about your brain? Well, acai berries enhance mental function. They contain compounds that can cross the blood-brain barrier, where they exert protective effects on brain cells, potentially lowering the risks of cognitive decline. The antioxidants in acai berries also counteract the damaging effects of free radicals and inflammation, providing an all-around boost to your health. Incorporating acai berries into your daily diet can therefore be a simple way to boost your overall health and well-being. Now that you're aware of the benefits, you might be wondering how to incorporate acai berries into your diet. Let's dive right into it. Acai berries are versatile and can be enjoyed in a number of ways. You might find them fresh, but more commonly, they're available as frozen pulp or in powder form. Here are some tips to get you started. Add a scoop of acai powder to your morning smoothie for a nutritious kick. You'll love the unique, rich flavor it adds. Or stir some acai powder into your yogurt for a delicious and healthy snack. For a filling breakfast, why not try acai powder in your oatmeal? It pairs well with other fruits and nuts. And if you're feeling adventurous, acai can even be used in baking. Imagine a batch of blueberry muffins with an acai twist. Remember, while acai berries offer numerous health benefits, they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet. Now go on, add some acai magic to your life.